Water the garden every day. If it's out season for rain, you've got to water every day and give the plants a good soak. And I've got the dragon fruit. But this grows no problem as long as you've got lots of water. And passion fruit. Passion fruit's really good as well. It grows a lot. Just needs a nice frame. The orchid's very, very nice as well. If you've got a good water supply, just get the hose out and give the garden a good soak. Bananas as well, no problem for the bananas, eh? Lots of water on the top and bananas will grow. I'm going to try to get the dragon fruit now to grow up here on this frame. So it'll look really nice, but just got to try to, that's it, I've put it in here to start to grow, so we'll see how long it takes. Stop barking, Levi, sorry. My dog barks all the time. But the bananas are good. Just put lots of water on them, they're happy. Levi. Hey, stop it. Stop it. He wants to come and play. The problem is if the dog goes in the pool, it'll die, eh? Luck, I can pull him out, but I mean, if I'm not supervising him, then he could end up dead. There's a nice big bunch of bananas there as well. Lots of water. Much as you like. The bananas now in the shops are starting to go up. If you go for the sort of higher quality bananas, maybe 70 to 100 baht for one bunch. So they're no cheap as they used to be. Three ones maybe 25 baht or 30 baht. They're no expensive. But I don't buy bananas. I just grow my own. But the passion fruit's coming out now. There's quite a few here as well, just on this bit. Okay. Working at the resort today. The people didn't come to work till back 8 o'clock, so the time they come, it's too late to water the garden because it starts to get too hot. So I like to get done earlier, but if they turn up for work, a lot of people didn't turn up. They only come when they've got no money at all, and then they'll come. But if they've got some money, they just stay home and sleep and eat. Okay, so that's this bit. I'll have to go and move the hose and get another position. This hose is too small. Okay. Water in the garden at Lea Resort, New Thailand. Okay, bye bye for now.